Hi guys, and welcome to another tutorial on my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create this boil over the mouth look. Today's look is inspired by Cami Green over on Instagram. You can go and give her a follow if you wish. Her work is incredible. To start off this look, we need to sculpt some boils out of clay. So I'm taking some clay and then I'm going to use a hairdryer and I'm going to melt it down as it was too hard to work with. This is what I prepared earlier and this is what we are going for. Once the clay is soft enough to mould, use your fingers to flatten it out and then use a rolling pin to completely flatten it onto the surface. I'm then taking this kind of rounded edge and then I'm going to dig this into the clay just to make the boils. For the larger balls, I'm just wiggling it around and just making it a larger circle. Once done, you should have something that looks like this. To make the boils, I am taking some gelatin and I'm going to fill the holes we just sculpted. Unfortunately, my footage of me filling the holes completely vanished. So here's me checking that the gelatin is ready to use, and this bit here which I'm poking is, so I'm just going to start pulling it out and then cutting the boils out. Once all the boils are out and ready, you can begin applying them to your face. I'm taking some plaster bandages just to put over my mouth to protect my lips. Then I'm taking Skin Sculpt and mixing that with foundation and applying it all over the mouth. I'm then taking the gelatin balls and I'm just going to apply these onto the silicone before it sets, so that there's a sticky base. I'm just applying these anywhere I want to, just to create a really weird looking effect. Apologies about the makeup palette being in the way, I literally never look at the camera, so I don't actually realise that it's there, so please ignore that and I hope you can kind of see what I'm doing behind it. Once you're happy with the placement of the gelatin bowls, I did apply some silicone around them and in between them just to make sure they stuck down properly, but unfortunately my footage vanished again, so I didn't capture it. Here I'm just powdering the silicone I put down just to get rid of any shine. I'm then taking my Skin Illustrator palette and I'm going to start colouring the boils with that. I'm then taking a darker pink and I'm going in between every boil just to make sure that they stand out. I'm then taking this blue shade just to create some veins and I'm lightly going over my skin with the brush. And then I'm just going to fill in some areas with the dark red. And that is how I created this look. Please ignore that the end product is nothing like what I created in the actual tutorial. It's because the footage of that just disappeared, so I had to use the original. I hope you enjoyed this video and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!